Take your SD card out of your Raspberry Pi, put it into your SD adapter. You're going to put that into your laptop or your desktop. See right there? Awesome. Then you're going to go to the website raspberrypi.org. You're going to download your RPI imager for your operating system. There's a list down there. RPI imager window pops up. Select those menus. Make sure it says desktop, not server, and then click right. Put your SD card back into your Pi. System configuration window will appear. Select your languages, and then set up your Wi-Fi. Pick your time zone. Put your name in, and then set a good password. Write it down so you don't forget it. Wait for system configuration to complete. You can read through these. It's going to take a while. I've just sped through it. This is a log. Don't worry about it. And here we go. Groovy Gorilla. You can do that later. Put no. Don't select this either. These you can do later. I'm really big on privacy. You know, you don't need to send all that data. If you do, other people can get to it. There was a recent root user Linux exploit, so we're going to put this command in to upgrade our system and put in your password. Next, we're going to set up our uncomplicated firewall. Let's first check the status. Notice it's inactive. That's the Linux default setting. We're going to set up our UFW with the list of commands that I've written to the side. Now that we've entered our rules, we're going to check the status of our UFW. Notice it's still inactive, so we need to enable it. If you accidentally type in the wrong thing, it'll pull up a table and show you the correct way of calling that command. Firewall is now active. We can check the status, and we can check the status by numbered. Next, we're going to install ClamAV, a free open source antivirus software toolkit. When this is done running, we can check the version. This is the command for your ClamAV to update your antivirus list. Notice it's already running. We're going to install a graphics interface for our ClamAV. It's called ClamTK. The ClamAV user interface is user-friendly, so you can do your scans. You can also do your updates from there. It's pretty versatile. Let's go into our applications. There it is. We have to wait for a moment. Here we go. We got settings. We have scheduler updates. You can schedule. I mean, a lot of options. This is pretty awesome. All right. Now let's install our Wireshark. This is an amazing tool, by the way, because you can see all the traffic that's coming and going from your device. Just click No, enter sudo Wireshark to run, and then click Any. See that? You already see all of those IP addresses talking to your device. This is amazing. Now go into your preferences, go into the privacy and security section, and then set your protection level. I prefer strict. I just feel safer that way. These settings are really important. That's access you're giving your browser to your cam, your microphone. And then also, I always unselect this. I don't like my data being sent to Mozilla or Google. Be sure to run your Wireshark for small durations. You're going to click that red box to turn it off. If you want to see who these people are, who are these IP addresses, who is, and then put the IP address in. If we check it out, look at that. That's Google. Thanks for watching my tutorial on setting up the Raspberry Pi.